In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello boards. We'll walk through creating a new board, adjusting its look and permissions, working with lists and cards, and touching on handy tools like automation, filters, power-ups, and sharing. Start by heading to trello.com. Once you're on the home page, open the Boards section. This is where all your boards live and where you'll create new ones. Create a new board, and when the setup window appears, give your board a clear, short title so it's easy to recognize later. Before creating it, choose a background. Clicking on the background lets you pick a color or image that makes the board easier to scan at a glance. Visual contrast can help you quickly identify different boards if you manage several. Next, look at the Workspace selector. Click on Boss Workspace, then Trello Workspace, and then back to Workspace to see how the board can be housed under different team spaces. Your options may have different names, but the idea is the same. Make sure the board sits in the right place so the right people can access it. Now review visibility. Click Private to see that only invited members can view the board. Then click Public to preview the setting that exposes the board to anyone with the link. Finally, click Workspace and click Workspace again to confirm a visibility level that keeps the board discoverable to your team without making it public. Choosing the correct visibility up front prevents permission confusion later. If you prefer a head start, click. Start with a template to browse ready-made layouts. Templates can give you pre-built lists and structure for common workflows like project tracking or personal tasks. When you're ready, click Create to finalize and open the board. Let's try a few list controls. Type in collapse list, then expand list to experience how collapsing can temporarily hide a list and help you focus. It's a small feature, but it's useful when your board grows. Open a list labeled Doing. Click the three dots at the top of the list to open its menu, then choose Color. You can apply a list color to make status columns pop. If you decide it's not helpful, click Remove Color to revert. Now, open Automation. This area introduces you to Trello's built-in rules and buttons that can move cards or update fields automatically. It's worth knowing where this lives, even if you keep it simple for now. Add a card to your board. Click Add a Card and type Laundry. Press Enter to create it. Then, drag the laundry card to the Doing list to represent work in progress. When it's complete, drag it to Done. This simple movement is the heart of Trello's workflow. Move cards through stages to reflect reality. Click the laundry card to bring it into focus, then open the three dots menu at the top of a list and choose Archive this list. Archiving is a safe way to clear space without deleting permanently. If you change your mind, quickly click Undo in the confirmation banner to restore the list. Explore enhancements by opening power-ups. These add integrations and extra features to your board. From there, click Automation again to return to rule options, then open filter cards to see how you can narrow what's shown by keyword, member, label, or due date. Filters are powerful when boards get busy. Click the star at the top to favorite the board so it's always easy to find. Finally, adjust sharing by clicking Change Visibility and then click Share. Use this to copy the link or invite teammates with the correct permission level. That's it. You've created a board, adjusted its visuals and visibility, worked with lists and cards, tested archiving, explored automation, tried power-ups and filters, favorited your board, and managed sharing. All the essentials you need to use Trello boards confidently.